In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to transfer Apple Pay cash to your bank account. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Unlock your iPhone and open the Wallet app. Step 2. Select your Apple Cash Card. Tap your Apple Cash Card inside the app. Step 3. Tap Transfer to Bank. Find and tap the Transfer to Bank option. Step 4. Type in the amount you'd like to move to your bank. Step 5. Choose Transfer Speed. Pick Instant Transfer. It may have a small fee, or 1 to 3 business days if you want free of charge. Step 6. Add or choose Bank Account. If you haven't added a bank account yet, follow the instructions to link your bank details. If you already have a bank account saved, just select it. And finally, Step 7. Confirm and finish. Review everything carefully and tap Transfer to complete. You'll see a confirmation when the transfer starts. Important reminders: always transfer to your own verified bank account. Never share your banking or personal info in comments or with strangers. This guide is for educational purposes only and does not encourage any fraudulent or unauthorized actions. And that would be all for today's guide. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.